I'm Tammah Watts, and I'm a birder. Seeing birds, hearing them does offer a restorative sense of self. I looked out my kitchen window one day and saw this yellow flutter go by. It ended up being a male yellow warbler, and then it kept coming back. And so each time I would go to the window, I would start looking for that bird. I developed a condition called chronic regional pain syndrome. That's a neurological condition that's very debilitating. It's lifelong. I was very active, biking, hiking, surfing, and I couldn't do that anymore. Birding was what started me to see beyond the pain. I started to see patterns like families of finches and the mourning doves. I began to notice life out here, and it really brought this inner joy that was rewarded time and time again. Let's focus on like the top of that.
What is mindful birding?
The practice of mindfulness, which is about being in the present moment, tapping into your senses, and then connecting with birds, and then returning to the present moment. Just notice your breath. Breathe in, restoration. Breathe out, release the stress. I want to invite you to accept all of what you are hearing and listen for the birds.
You intentionally say birding instead of bird watching. Why?
Bird watching excluded a lot of folks. Connecting with birds can look like all kinds of ways. Birding means it is inclusive. It is acknowledging the various identities and the ways that anybody wants to show up can show up. SoCal Bird Nerds are a grassroots collective. I mean, we have infants to people in their 80s that come. It's the passion, the love, the honoring for each other. That's us. Really proud that we're nerds.